Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video I'll try to talk about the Poco X3 overnight battery drain issue. So a lot of users did comment me under the video saying that Poco X3 is draining a lot of battery in the overnight. What are the steps to prevent the over draining of the battery in this phone? So that's what this complete video is about, friends. So let's see what are the tips I can give you to save the battery in this Poco X3 device, as you can see, friends. So let's get started. And in case if you want to know more information about the Poco X3, so make sure to check the playlist which I created regarding the Poco X3. More than 300 plus videos are uploaded on this phone, Poco X3. So try to check the playlist and you'll get to know all the details. So let's begin, friends. The first thing is that there's a overnight battery draining issue is happening in this phone. So with the recent updates, what happens is that the battery backup will also get affected in this Poco X3 model. That is a problem. And let's move to the steps how you can actually prevent the happening of the battery backup, battery draining of the overnight. So first you need to go to the battery and performance option. So there's a couple of settings you can toggle, friends. So before sleeping, what you can do is that, so try to disable the mobile data and Wi-Fi. So even if you disable the mobile data and Wi-Fi network, still the battery backup is not coming a lot, then definitely you can turn on this kind of ultra power saving mode, so which also helps the battery not to drain a lot. See, this is the last option where you can select ultra battery saver option. So apart from that, there are a couple of other things which you can change in the settings. So in the settings, if you tap on the settings, you do get this kind of option. So turn off the mobile data when the screen is locked. You can choose this kind of option, and clear the cache when the device is locked. That is another option which is there. And every time when you go to the bed, try to clear all the recent memory in the applications from the Poco X3. That is also another trick where you can follow in this Poco X3 as well. And mostly, friends, I'll try to enable this option which is called the battery draining notification. So in case if there is any other application which is draining the battery a lot in this Poco X3 device, definitely will get the notification saying that battery is consuming a lot. Try to turn on this option, which will be definitely useful for you in terms of notifying high drains of the battery. Next is the battery app battery saver. So here you can select particular application and you can choose restrict the background activity, as you can see, friends. So app will be closed to save the power. So in this way you can try to choose all the applications and restrict the background activity for each and everything. So this will save a lot of battery as well, instead of allowing the applications to on. So this is the best way to do. So try to give the permissions for each and every application, restrict the background activity. So this is what you can do, friends, and these are the few tips which I can give you right now at the moment. Do let me in the comments below, even still, if this kind of battery draining is happening even after using this all settings, so that there must be a problem with the software update only. So very soon you will be getting an update and it might get fixed. So first try with the normal battery saver mode and then try with the ultra battery saver mode. Even if it doesn't work, then you can try all those settings which I've explained. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and definitely this ultra battery saver mode is the best one. This will be the last option, and where you can save plenty of battery overnight. There will be only drain of 2 to 3% only. So without using this one, there will be a drain of maybe 8%, but with using this one, there will be drain of only 2 to 3%. So you can definitely try this kind of trick here. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.